Hi there. I often get asked by HR and L&D leaders how their organizations can move forward from their current manual talent management and development procedures, which use spreadsheets, Word docs, emails, and the 9-box grid, as this gives them virtually no insights, requires manual chasing, and delivers a poor user experience to both the employees and the managers. So, how do they move on from that to a solution that is more suitable for the modern workforce? A solution that incorporates skills, development, learning, and succession planning, and factors in values and behaviors of the organization. Something that's easy to understand, can be implemented quickly, and operated by a very small HR team. And of course, one that doesn't break the bank, but does deliver real tangible benefits to the organization. I'm Mark Seaman, CEO and founder of Staff Circle, and I'd like to share with you the secret to achieving this. Now, in order to move on from these manual procedures, we implement something called the continuous employee development process. And here is an example of what we deliver to many of our clients. At the heart of this, you will see an integrated competency framework, which is AI powered, and this generates the framework automatically based on the attributes of the organization. This integrated framework provides role descriptions, role-based skills with competency levels and the statements, as well as succession pathways. And once this is in place, we can operate the regular one-to-ones between the employee and the manager. But now the difference here is that we can include a skills assessment as part of the one-to-one. And this has two distinct benefits. Firstly, it provides a more meaningful experience to both the employee and the manager. And this is because we're not only discussing the day-to-day performance, but we're also talking about the employee's development and their skills acquisition. And secondly, having these regular cadences of feedback with real-time skills information gives the organization up-to-date real-time views of their skills gaps, and single-person dependencies. And once the skills gaps have been identified in the one-to-one, we can then automatically connect to the training that is valid to close that skills gap. And if necessary, we can also generate a validation objective to ensure that when the training is complete, the employee can execute the desired skill at the required competency level. The integrated performance management tool also ensures that goal alignment and role expectation are met on an ongoing basis, and again provide real-time feedback back to the leadership team, ensuring the managers are empowered to get the most out of their teams. Real-time performance and skills information delivered back provides a far more robust succession planning capability. And this enables the organization to greatly reduce risk by promoting people from within, but also to fully understand what the skills gaps and training requirements are, which are needed in order to move somebody up to the next role. Now, since this is a continuous process, a new skill can be easily introduced to the organization at any time. Now, a new skill, shown here in green, can be automatically enriched by the AI system and the competency levels defined. This skill is then added to roles within the organization at various required levels. And then anybody that currently occupies those roles will automatically see a new unassessed skill, which can then be picked up by their next one-to-one and their next skills assessment. And if there is a skills gap and training required, this can be automatically factored in. This system of continuous employee development provides organizations a really robust way to navigate through these fast changing times. A system like this can truly act as a force multiplier for HR and L&D teams. And of course, this is just a graphic, but if you want to see how a real system can actually deliver all of this, then please either book in for a demo below or book in for our free weekly webinar.